So by using this background color property, you can change the background of your web page. So now next is the background image property. The background image property sets one or several background images in an element. So let's see an example of the background image property. So apply here, remove this background color property and change it to background image, and now hit this URL brackets inverted commas. Now type here the name of the image which you want to link and copy its location also. Copy, paste, and its name. Copy, paste, and then semicolon. Now save it. Now run it in your browser. Okay, I think something is wrong. Let's check it out again. URL, okay, starwars.png. Okay, that's okay. Body, well, everything is all right. Let me add here background color also. Red. Now semicolon. Now save it. Now run it again in your browser. Okay, what happened to the image? This is the thumbnail of the video which I uploaded yesterday on my youtube.com Ganesh Bagaria channel. Let's find out. Let's copy and paste it here. Now again try to save and then run. Yay! Now it's showing our image for the thumbnail, and here is your paragraph. So by using the background image property, you can add a image in the background of your web page. The background image can be set not only for the whole page but for individual elements as well. Let's see how can we add for only this paragraph. Let's add the background image for only, you don't need to write it. Save. Now let's apply our background image for only some element. So set the padding as 30px for example, semicolon, save it, run it again in your browser, launching Chrome. Okay, here the paragraph is set as to be the you can see here the paragraph tag comes down here. As my image background image is of 1280 and 720 pixels, so because of it covers the whole web page. So because of it the paragraph is hiding itself in it the black color. Let's add here padding, to be 100 px. By applying this padding, our paragraph text becomes where it is now. Let's see here. It the our paragraph tag comes under more center of the web page. So by using this property you can add a image in your background. Now another on the next section, it is our background repeat property. The background repeat property specify how background images are repeated. A background image can be repeated along the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, both axes, or not repeated at all. Let's see how can we apply our background repeated property. So remove this padding, we don't need it, and here the background image, then the background repeat property. Where is background repeat? Then this I want to repeat it on x-axis, so I am applying this repeat dash x. Now we are going to run it on in your browser. You can see our background image is repeated as this. Click cl start again from here horizontally, and this image of bb8 also again starts. So by using this background repeat property you can repeat your background. What will happen when I apply here as the y-axis, repeat our background image in y-axis? Let's see. Okay, due to lower size it is not repeating itself. What happen if I don't want to repeat our background property, sorry, background image? No repeat. Now our image is not going to be repeat more than one times. You can see the here this there here is an empty space in our web page, as uh, the background image is of 1280 and 720 px, due to which it don't again start repeat because of applying this background repeat no repeat property. So by using the background repeat property you can repeat your background image on x-axis and y-axis and on both axes, or you can also don't repeat your image. So when you set the background repeat property to inherit, it will take the same specified values as the property for the elements parent. So another on the next section, it is our background attachment property. The background attachment property sets whether a background image is fixed or scrolls with the rest of the page. Even if an element has an scrolling mechanism, a fixed background does not move with the element. Let's see example of the background attachment property. So add here the background attachment property, and here if I apply fixed, let's see what will be what will happen in our browser. You can see it is fixed now. So it when I add more paragraphs here, let's see, copy, paste, 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 copy, paste, paste. Let me run it in my browser. Okay, you can see when I scroll it the background image don't scrolls itself, and when I remove this background attachment property and save it, and then run it in my browser, then the image start scrolling itself. So by using the background attachment property, you can make your background image as fixed or scrollable, and there are more other uh, properties in the background attachment. You can also add the scroll property here. Scroll, when I apply this scroll here, the background image starts scrolling itself. You can see the background image scrolling itself in the web page. So by using the background attachment property, you can make your background image to be scrollable and non-scrollable. So thanks guys for watching the video, and please guys subscribe